Hey guys, today we're gonna be looking at my pink square quartz alarm clock, which you could see it is running that one on top. Over there, that one. Arabic numerals as I read that one on it. Which you could see running. See that one? It's a brand name called Quartz. So yeah, which it is running. Now, let me put this on the back. Sorry to interrupt, but he's just running that one on top with no movement. Now, let me put on the back. This back, you see the quartz movement has a rotation, which it is running as a battery cover. Works well. That one over there. Which it is works well on it. Which you could see. It's called a 588 minus 08. It's a, on the battery cover, it's a word called Made in China. There's a 2 jewels on it, which is funny. That one popping up, that one, which you could see works very well. Now, let me put on the front. You could see here, it is running, that one, which it is, has a alarm in it, which it is ticking on it. That one has a alarm. The alarm is working. That one. It's from the pop-up. Which this works well. Running on top. Which it is working. Thank you for watching. For being enjoying that one. Which it is running on the pink square. That one, it's from the case right here. You could see the pink on there is running. Well, I hope you enjoyed. That's why we've been looking at this clock alarm on it. That one works well. I'll see you then.